Oh, good jump roping. Did you fall?
I'm over the grass. I'm over up the grass.
What are you going to do?
I'm over up the grass.
Roll up the grass?
No, I want to get on some noise.
Okay. Oh, you mowing the lawn?
Yeah, more the lawn.
Wow.
I can't do it.
Can you cut down the weeds too? There's Goosey. And there's Cora. She fell asleep in the car. And now she's not waking up. She's really tired, isn't she?
I gave a shower to Cora.
Yeah? Be careful. Good boy. Watch out for Cora. Watch out for those pictures too. She looks like you, Charlie.
Hey, how can I get out here?
Are you stuck? Okay, can you wave and say goodbye?
Bye.
So see you next time.